Tennis ball is a super tool. You can buy it almost anywhere. It costs nothing, and then you can pack it into even the smallest luggage you carry on with you. We will use tennis ball for different massages, and I will show you how to use it. You can of course find your own. One of the best things is to massage your feet, especially after long walking or using these office shoes. Our feet are a bit stiff, so you can use it to massage the bottom of your feet, swap, regulate the pressure, so as much weight as you put on top of the ball with your leg, that will be how your massage is strong. You can use tennis ball also for all sorts of brain exercises. So what I'm showing now is using one foot to put it on the top of the another one and lift it. Try it for yourself. It looks easy. Well, you see now is not that easy, but this is an example of exercise, and you can develop something for yourself where you just do something else than you normally do with your motoric skills and connecting with your brain. You can also massage lower back and buttocks. You can see now I will put the tennis ball under my back and then massage it with this kind of movement from left to right. Sometimes, again, from all this long sitting, our buttocks and lower back are a bit sore or tense. And here is just a very simple way how you can relieve the tension on your own using just a tennis ball. So now put it under your lower back. Again, regulate the pressure with your body and use the movement from left and right to massage it. Sometimes our hips are also a bit tense, and now you see me putting it under my hip and using again the circle or left and right movement so that I can massage my hip. Well, this is the tennis ball massage. I'm sure you can find a different way. So for example, you can massage your shoulder like you see me now. You can also use it to massage it from the top without any pressure of your body on the tennis ball. You can use it to massage your thigh, whatever you find working for you. So write me any different way how you use it. Enjoy your tennis ball massage.